that we are like 20 minutes out from JDM Express. As soon as we got into this area, it's talking about severe thunderstorm warnings. So that's exciting. I mean, we out here, so we're making it happen. But first things first, I want to say a big thank you to Laro. You guys know Laro. His IG will be right here down below. Shout out to Laro, because he's been supporting since we started the YouTube stuff, man. He's been the homie, internet homie at that, because I've never met him in person, which eventually we will. You know, we'll get big enough, we can travel, you know. Thank you, Laro. I want to say thank you so much, because he sponsored this JDM motor. Sometime back, he sent your boy $1,000 for this motor. We're finally having the time. Thank you, Laro. I greatly appreciate you and all your support for all these years. You're the homie, dude. You're the MVP.
Turn left.
We did come here before. Well, now we're in here in JDM Express. Like I said, we've been here once. Been meaning to come check them out, but I guess I did before. Checking out his K series, because we know we need it for the white TSX. After going through the rebuild stages back and forth, and then, you know, have some fun with that. They do offer a bunch of front clips for various cars, transmissions, engines. So we gonna get turbo. I'm like, I gotta buy some things. I gotta buy that. Gotta buy that. List. PTSD buying motors. I moved from Connecticut to Florida. On our way, we stopped in Virginia to buy a used one, like 900. Come to Florida, compression check it, blown.
Try it again, rev it. Just that it's cranking slow.
Yeah. As long as it's like consistent, yeah. You know.
It's gotta be consistent.
Well, you gotta jump something. This one, see if it goes back, you know, goes to like a 200. We're doing it, we're making it happen. Pressure test came back good. And it looks pretty clean on the inside with slight little wear on the cams, but nothing that seemed too major. Like, you don't really feel it with your fingertips. So like, that's kind of like the rule of thumb. Feel it with your fingertip, then you'd be second guessing it a little bit more, but it wasn't bad. So we're gonna run it. I mean, when I was looking back in the day, K24s were like 900 bucks, and now it's just like 1400. So should have done it back then. It is what it is. We're here now making it happen.
Push start.
You see the weather we're in, but we got the package back there. We got the loot spent. Where's the damn price tag? Real deal. I'll show you guys. $1384.50. So yeah, there it is. 30-day warranty, because it's a performance engine. Everywhere it has only 30 days instead of like 60 or 90. So let's get back home. We got like a 2.5 hour ride. Get my pretty girls. All right, y'all, we made it back home. Yes, and these are some extra bolts we could use. Back on the camera view right now. We setting that up. Get her off, get her down, and we good.
Whoa.
All right, put her off, get her back down, and then we could go return the truck. First, we gotta fill the gas tank back up and then return it, because that's what you do. You know, you can't just return it back. Empty tank of gas and be like, thanks. Thanks for letting me use it and the gas. That's a piece of shit thing to do. Alright, we're going to be seeing how this is going to work out. I have faith in this ratchet strap and it picking everything up. We did it. It's down on the ground. A little bit sketchy, a little bit of a backache, you know, but
We got it.
it's all worth it.
She's home.
I'm back. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we have the engine on the engine stand. Now it's all time to just take things apart and put things back on. We gotta refresh some seals. Obviously, I think change out the water pump housing and do a bunch of different things and find some accessories for this thing. Yeah, we gotta spend more money and just replace things. You know the deal. Deciding if I want to do a bunch of timing stuff. I might do the tensioner, but I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole chain and all that because that's just gonna be like an extra 700 bucks, y'all. And we spent 1,400 bucks on this. I'm trying to do another 700 bucks for a whole timing chain kit, plus the accessories, plus the seals. Stay tuned for all the other videos, all the updates, because we are getting a move on with this white TSX. I've been putting on like the engine harness stuff, wrapping it around, lining things up. So really, just about buying things, refreshing, and then putting this girl back in. Well, putting this new girl back into this girl. So
Where it belongs.
yes. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do too much. I'm probably not gonna put the Type S pump on it either because we're not gonna be revving out really high. I don't have any head work done on this car, so I don't feel like it's really that worth it. Revving out the 7800 stock. So let me know in the comments below what do you think I should do, shouldn't do, what I shouldn't waste time. I kind of want to just drop this thing in and go boost. So let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace. So, all that eagerness and all that hype kind of came to a stop because she was stripping down the motor while I was, working on some other things on the white TSX, and we started seeing a little bit more faults. I dealt with one stripped bolt and I was able to rethread it in. It was no big deal. Okay, cool. We're removing this bracket off. That was like stuck in there, so I was like, all right, cool. We don't need it because we're not gonna use that. It doesn't matter. Then when I was in that area, I looked around and I noticed this rear mount bracket where these threads in, this is cracked all the way and split right there, and the threads are completely chewed out. And same with this top one. This is cracked and split right there and the threads are chewed out. So that's no bueno. Next Saturday, because we didn't make it this Saturday, we're gonna have to go and return this thing and figure out our next moves. Yeah, that just kind of stumps the plans, man, a little bit. But we're gonna have to figure out what's next, where I'm gonna get one next, what I'm gonna do, because that's the updates. We were stripping it, and then we found that, and then we put everything back together. So it wasn't really as noticed because we had the whole harness and everything sitting, and so it's a little
Everything
bit
was hidden, honestly.
So it was like you didn't really notice that until obviously we're in there taking things off, and then I just staring at it. I'm like, oh shit, So there's that. So we're gonna figure out what's next, but stay tuned for all that. So I just want to update you guys. This is not going in the white TSX. It's going back because I need my money back for this. Not dealing with it. I'll bring you along whenever that happens next weekend. Stay tuned for more, y'all. Never know what's gonna happen next.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.